Whenever this owner has to bathe his dog, the pup always goes and hides among her toy dogs. But today, the owner had to find her to take her to the vet for her first vaccination shot. So first, he snapped his fingers, and suddenly, 2 dogs in the left corner moved, but only one of them was real. So he tried again by rattling the pack of her favorite snack, but the clever pup stayed perfectly still. As a last try, the owner pressed a special remote button because every time she hears that click, she thinks it's dinner time. And just like that, the sneaky little thief gets caught every time.